This is a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew, red over black interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, satellite radio, navigation, electronic climate control, remote start, dual USBs for your cell phone, heated seats. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, so it's got power. Like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Bradenton, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.